Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make custard biscuits. Start by gathering flour, butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla, milk, and a pastry cutter. Work the butter into the flour until it resembles coarse crumbs, then stir in sugar and egg to form a dough. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes to firm it up. Roll gently and cut shapes, then fill with prepared custard before baking until golden brown and set. In this video, I will show how to make custard biscuits. Use cold butter and measured flour to ensure a flaky biscuit base. Combine butter and flour until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs, then add sugar and a beaten egg to bind. Avoid overworking the dough to keep it tender. Wrap and chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes so it firms up for easy rolling and clean shapes when cutting. In this video, I will show how to make custard biscuits. Whisk eggs, sugar, and milk together, then heat the mixture gently while stirring constantly until it thickens and coats the back of a spoon. Remove from heat and stir in vanilla for flavor, then let it cool to room temperature. Chill the custard so it firms slightly before filling biscuits, which helps maintain structure and prevents the biscuits from becoming soggy during assembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.